Welcome to this video. I'm glad you're here. Today, we are going to talk about how to set up and use the time tracker inside the ClickUp mobile app. This feature is especially helpful if you want to monitor productivity, track project hours, or simply stay on top of your daily tasks. First, open the ClickUp app on your mobile device. Next, tap the Create button located at the bottom center. Then, select Track Time from the available options. You will now see three choices: timer, manual, and range. The timer option lets you start and stop tracking in real time. Manual means you can directly enter the total time you spent. Range allows you to set a start and end time for your work. After that, choose the task you want to track time for, making sure it's assigned correctly. Finally, once you've selected the right details, tap on Done Day, and your time will be successfully logged in ClickUp. Using the time tracker in ClickUp is a simple but powerful way to monitor productivity, manage projects better, and keep your work organized directly from your mobile device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.